Did your day ever begin at just a really hurried pace? You move from task to task without even a moment to breathe. Clutter on your desk, perhaps your car, or that drawer you think nobody actually sees. Papers are just this constant reminder of the uncompleted task. A steady stream of notifications across multiple devices. Physically present, yet your mind is a million miles away. If you find yourself nodding along with any of this, no judgment. This was my daily. Struggling to make me time when I had none. In 2015, the cherry on top is when I was crazy enough to add a puppy to the mix, Mr. Mashed Potato, my English bulldog. If we rewind back to that time, my studio was less than a year old, my then partner had just moved out, and then here enters Mash, this roly-poly little puppy. Today, I can't imagine life without him, but then I had no idea what I just signed up for. I'd work all day and then go upstairs because yes, I also lived above my business, and I'd be greeted with Mash's excitement. However, I was completely tapped out, and I didn't even know how to show up for him. Now, this sounds kind of crazy today, but back then that wasn't the case. My only actual free minutes were behind a bathroom door, and not even then because his little paw would try to reach under the door. One day, I walked into the bathroom, only except not needing to use the bathroom. I crawled into the empty bathtub, fully clothed. Just a couple of minutes, I told myself. I found myself regularly repeating this, just intentional, uninterrupted time for myself. No rules, no requirements, no multitasking, no mash. I was making me time when I had none. A pause. A reservation with myself. In the book Atomic Habit, David Allen suggests that it only takes 2 minutes to create a new habit. And as a hairdresser, a reservation was a regular part of my vocabulary, just confirming a service time, just a play on words. No one wants to go to another appointment, rather a reservation, something that they can look forward to. David Allen's idea of taking 2 minutes to create this habit really resonates here. It's not about adding more to your to-do list or squeezing something in, but rather prioritizing ourselves, if only just for those 2 minutes. Acknowledge we all have the same 24 hours in a day, but assuming they're identical for everyone is crazy. Factors like relationship, incomes, overall household responsibilities are all shaping how we spend those hours. So how do we start incorporating these little 2-minute reservations? At the start of the morning, just run through a list of your responsibilities and tasks for the day and identify any free moments. Really declare these moments a reservation with yourself, whether it's a quiet sit down or a brief moment alone. It's critical to actually declare these. It's not some haphazard break throughout the day. Before you overcomplicate things, I have given you an A through Z list of mental refreshers, things that you can do just on the go, anytime, anywhere. Start with the 2 minutes, gradually working your way up to 15. And to take that even a step farther, add it to your calendar as a repeatable slot and save it as a reservation with yourself. The first step in creating a life worth repeating 52 times a year starts with those 2 minutes.